Alright, so welcome back. We are continuing along with the Hiragana series of Japanese lessons from Yamanote Style, and we are on the H series this time. So, to continue along with the H series, we will be going through the standard sort of order, which we learned in the sounds. So, ha, he, who, which we'll spell with the F here, although it could be spelled with the H as well, he, and ho. Okay, so the first one we want to go over here is ha. Ha looks like this. There's one stroke down, one across, and then a loopy sort of stroke here. Once again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm drawing these a little bit farther apart for clarity purposes, but in real life they would be closer together, maybe more like this. This is kind of too far apart actually. So for he, we have 1, 2. 1, 2. And once again, 1, 2. For who is an interesting one here, right? So we have 1, and then 2, 3, 4. Now once again we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice this part in the middle bottom looks sort of like an upside down question. Now this is the official form. Sometimes in handwriting you'll see something that looks like this. So this is also an acceptable version of the same thing. So he. He is the simplest one. It's just 1. Again, you don't lift the pen here, so it's just 1 stroke. Simple, easy. Looks somewhat like a carrot, but the right side is significantly longer than the left side. Ho. Ho looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks similar to ha, but there's 2 lines here. Once again, this is probably farther apart than it would be in real life, so just to give a better example, it would look something like this. Okay, the height from the left side and the height from the right side should be very similar. So this looks like another symbol that we will see later, but for now we just write it like this. The reason that I mentioned that this looks like another symbol is that if you leave too much space, like we did up at the top here, it can actually look like, a combination of different characters. So just know that there should be some space, the lines shouldn't be touching, but not too much space. Alright, so I've gone ahead and drawn in the stroke orders with the numbers here, and also a thin form in blue to make it easier to see. So if you have any questions, please leave comments, leave feedback, or if you have anything that you'd like us to go over. We may be able to do separate videos showing each character larger in kind of slow motion or something like that if it's helpful. Please let us know. Thanks.